What if Mazda just built the most beautiful compact SUV the world has ever seen, and barely anyone's talking about it yet? That's exactly what's happening right now. This is the 2027 Mazda CX-20, and after seeing it from every angle, I genuinely think Mazda has done something no one expected. They've made a compact SUV that looks like it rolled straight off a luxury runway. Today, we're breaking it all down. Front, sides, rear, interior, engine, everything. Stay with me, because this one is going to blow your mind. Let's start right here, the face. And wow, what a face it is! The 2027 CX-20 wears Mazda's evolved Kodo soul of motion design language, but taken to a whole new level of aggression and elegance. That massive five-sided grille, finished in gloss black with a geometric mesh pattern, is bold, dominant, and unmistakably Mazda. It sits low and wide, giving the front end a planted, confident stance. Now look at those LED adaptive headlights. They're slender, almost predatory, sweeping back like the eyes of something that's about to pounce. And that chrome Mazda emblem sitting dead center in the grille? Pure premium. In white, which Mazda calls rhodium white premium, the contrast against all that black trim is absolutely chef's kiss. Step to the side, and the CX-20 tells an entirely different story, one of flowing, almost artistic sculpture. That roofline, look at it. It arcs beautifully from the A-pillar, peaks near the rear door, then swoops down into a fastback-style tail. It's the kind of profile more at home on a concept car than a production SUV. The CX-20 badge sits quietly on the front door, subtle, confident, never shouting. Those 20-inch gloss black multi-spoke alloy wheels are massive and aggressive, filling the arches perfectly. They create a visual tension between elegance and sportiness that somehow just works. If the front was a handshake, the rear is a statement. The 2027 CX-20's rear is where Mazda's design team truly showed off. Those L-shaped LED tail lamps stretch wide across the tailgate, connected by a clean, high-gloss trim strip that reads Mazda in wide-spaced lettering. Upmarket, minimal, almost Scandinavian in its restraint. Down below, a black rear diffuser frames twin circular exhaust outlets, giving it a genuine sporty finish and hinting at the mechanical muscle underneath. The rear windscreen sits steeply raked, and with a subtle roof spoiler lip, the whole rear end has a fastback coupe SUV vibe that is incredibly rare at this price point. Step inside, and this is where the CX-20 genuinely surprises you. The cockpit is dark, focused, and premium. Black leather seats with contrast stitching wrap you in an ergonomic driving position that Mazda has obsessively engineered for human fit. The seats aren't just comfortable, they're designed to reduce fatigue on long drives by supporting your spine in its natural curve. Sitting atop the dashboard is a widescreen infotainment display. Wide, floating, and crystal clear, running Mazda's latest connected interface with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and wireless charging built in. Below it, the climate controls use real physical buttons and dials. Thank you, Mazda, because not everything needs to be a touchscreen. Now, let's talk about what's under that sleek hood. The 2027 Mazda CX-20 is expected to be offered with a lineup that includes a 2.0-liter Skyactiv-G naturally aspirated petrol, a punchy 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, and, excitingly, a Skyactiv-X mild hybrid system that blends petrol efficiency with electric torque response. Mazda also applies their G-Vectoring Control Plus technology, which subtly adjusts engine torque mid-corner to stabilize the car through bends, making this genuinely fun to drive, not just to look at. So, is the 2027 Mazda CX-20 worth the hype? I'm sold. Are you? Drop a comment below. Would you buy the CX-20 in white, or are you waiting for another color? Let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, drive beautifully. See you in the next one.